Hi, if you need to remove or add icons in the control center, then simply swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger this control center, and here you will see the three sections, the heart one, the music one, and this one with your tools. So let's go in the heart one, and now to add a control, we just need to press and hold any free space on the screen and select this button to add a control. For example, let's add the text size here. We can also add the dark mode. And let's add the slow power mode. This is a great feature. And now we can customize this control center. So we can remove some of the features, for example, or we can resize them just by dragging the corners like that to make them bigger or smaller, or to make them go on the second page. So here you just need to swipe up to see the second page of this control center. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.